This is how you can find unique, duplicate, triplicate, or really any n number of occurrences in your data. Let's say you have a list containing item codes, item names, and item size, and an entry is considered a duplicate only if the combination of all three columns are equivalent. Alright, let's tackle this step by step. First, we need to determine how often an entry, consisting of the combination of columns B, C, and D occurs. The COUNTIFs function is perfect for this. What we need to do is to look at each entry in column B and then compare them with all the entries in that same column. What this does is it counts how many times each specific entry appears in that same column. If we now do the same for column C and column D, what we get is a count of how many times a specific entry, consisting of the combination of all three columns, appears. This works because all the criterias are being checked simultaneously for each row. Therefore, as an example, if two rows have identical values in columns B, C, and D, the result will show a 2. Alright, now we can leverage this behavior and use the entire COUNTIFs formula for the include argument inside the filter function. We just use cell I3 to determine what our criteria should look like, and now take a look at this. With one click, I can see which entries are unique, duplicates, triplicates, and so on. Oh, and if you don't want to see all occurrences, well then just add the unique formula and there you have it.